a lot of y'all build cars and build stuff. And this is going to be our Pew Store Mad Max Crazy Rat Rod Bronco. It's an 85, and we're going to cut the crap out of this thing. Now, it's untellable what we're going to have on it. I don't even know yet. They put a crazy lift on it. It's kind of got a death wobble to it. But after my damn surgeries, I kind of have a death wobble too. I think theirs is at 40 mile an hour, mine's at 2 mile an hour. So me and this old bastard's gonna get along just fine. But I think it's be a fun little project for us. And the guy who owns it is one of my neighbors, and he has a bunch of electrical work, and we're gonna end up swapping it out, which is kind of cool for everybody. I mean, it's gonna be fun.